Let's divide 92 by 2. Hey math adventurers, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math fun. Alright, let's start dividing 92 by 2. First, we look at the div at nen. We bring down the nun to start our division. How many terms does 2 fit into? Nen, it fits 4 terms. Let's check, 4 terms 2 is it. Now we subtract it from nen, that leaves us with 1. Awesome, you're doing great, we've got this. We've finished this step. Time to bring down the next divot. Great job. Now we have a 1 and bring down the 2, making it 12. We bring down the 2 next to the remainder 1, forming 12. How many terms does 2 get into? 12. It's 6 terms. Let's check, 6 terms 2 equals 12. Subtract 12 from 12 and we get 0. Now remainder this term. You nailed it, we're almost there. We've used all the divots and our answer is 46. We're done. So 92 divided by 2 equals 46. We just learned how to divide 92 by 2 using long division. Great, following along, remember every number can be broken in, just like we did. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in that term. See you next time on Let's Stud.